Hi, this is Jamie Volker here at Lee Summit High School, and I am the lead teacher of the Physical Education and Health Department. Nope. Hi, my name is Jamie Volker, and I'm the lead teacher here at Lee Summit High School, and I'm just talking through all the classes that we have available in our PE department. And this one is called Mentoring in Physical Education, and this is sort of a class to which you as a mentor and a person who really believes in physical education and possibly might want to be a teacher or a OT or a PT can be paired up with a student who has some special needs and may have some difficulties in the PE class, and you are there to help them navigate that class and be more mainstream as possible with the other kids, and then perhaps be in a life skills setting too. It just depends on how the grouping happens. So if you want more information on this class, again, my name is Jamie Volker, and be sure to email me. There is an application process for this class, and you do need to be a junior or a senior. Thanks.